Smaller, smarter. Command the entire point cloud universe in your palm. FJD Trion P2 redefines scanning possibilities. Integrated vision, LiDAR, and RTK for higher precision, the P2 gets ready for any challenge. With a precision global shutter and dual 12-megapixel RGB cameras, the P2 captures every color and every detail perfectly, even at high speed. The Hyperdense Plus feature densifies point clouds by 7 times with a spacing of up to 1 millimeter, showing micro details in true visual mode. The P2 lets you master point clouds more easily. The laser sensor is tilted to match human eye level. See everything, miss nothing. What you see is what you get. The P2 scans 200,000 points per second at a distance of up to 70 meters, maximizing precision and efficiency. One scan, multiple outputs. Unlock all point cloud applications. Bring the real world into your workflow. Smaller, smarter. Scan more. FJD Trion P2. Future captured.